4 degrees Celsius with controlled humidity to optimize hatching rates. From the time of incubation to hatching, it takes about 65 to 90 days. After the eggs hatch, the baby crocodiles are transferred to rearing tanks, where they have access to clean water and ample space. After a period of meticulous care, it is time to reap the rewards. Depending on the demand, the farm will commercialize the crocodiles in various forms. The primary focus is on purchasing young crocodiles for breeding to expand the farm. In addition, adult crocodiles are sent to professional processing facilities.